Welcome back to another Trade Journal video. This is Trade Journal number 77. And before I jump into this week's trades, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all of my trades. Now, jumping into the first stock that I was trading this week, it is on Facebook. And what I had on Facebook was a poor man's covered call. So I own a Leap call option that I bought a while ago. And it's down quite a bit unrealized, but I'm going to just continue to sell calls against it. So this past week, I sold a call at the $290 strike price, so right here at this blue line, for a profit of $19. Because price is closing below the blue line, I get to keep the full $19. What I have set up for next week is that I am selling another call expiring next Friday, except this time at the $270 strike price, so right here at the blue line, and this is for $12. So it's not a lot of premium, but it's better than nothing. I'm going to keep selling calls against Facebook. I still have around 490 days on my option contracts. Hopefully Facebook will be able to pull back quite a bit before the long call option expires. But as always, I'll just continue to sell weekly calls against it. Jumping into the next position that I had for this week, it was on TQQQ. And what I had on TQQQ was actually two trades. So the first one was a cash secured put. So right here at this blue line, I sold the cash secured put at the $50 strike price for $95 in premium. I ended up closing this out on Wednesday, so right here on this candle, for $90 out of the max $95 I could have made. And then the other trade that I had was a covered call on TQQQ. So I own 100 shares at about $64 per share, so right around here. And I sold a call at the $65 strike price, so right above it, right around here, for $229 in premium. And as you can see, price stayed below that call option, so I get to keep the full $229, and that option will expire worthless. What I have set up for next week right now is that I have sold a cash secured put at the $45 strike price for $100 in premium. So let me move the line there. And then you can't see the line, but there's the line now. And then I also sold another call option against the shares that I own at $64, and I sold that at the $64 strike price. So let me go ahead and add in a line for that. So basically I have a covered call and I'm selling the call option that expires next week right here at the $64 strike price. I was only able to get $18 of premium on this one. Again, I'm okay if the price goes up and my shares get taken away, but I still want to collect some premium. The only other thing that I have that I might set up for next week is I still own 3 call options on TQQQ. Hopefully price goes up a little bit before I try to sell any calls, and I would probably sell them somewhere around this area. I just don't want to get into the situation of having to roll the calls, although I would be happy if the price did go up. So all in all, profit for this week was $319 on TQQQ and $19 on Facebook for a total profit of $338, slowly making back the losses from last week. And then right now for next week, I have $12 set up on Facebook and $118 on TQQQ, and I might add additional positions to TQQQ. So total profit for next week will be $130. Year-to-date realized profit is still negative 1.26%. And unrealized is still quite a bit, but hopefully some of these stocks can recover, or at least I can make up some of it with the realized premiums that I'm collecting. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below, or if you want to hear my stock analysis on any stocks, feel free to comment down below as well. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next week.